Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we started the nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. In that, we discussed about the mode of nutrition in plants. Okay. Say the nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, and provide the energy to carry out of life process. So, what is the importance of nutrients? The components of food are called nutrients. What is the importance of nutrients to our body? To growth and maintenance good health, we require the nutrients. Okay, in the last class up to here, we discussed the mode of nutrition in plants. We discussed it, and today I am going to discuss about the autotrophic and heterotrophs. Autotrophs and heterotrophs. What is the autotrophs and what is the heterotrophs? We can discuss. Okay. Now, autotrophs. Okay, what is the autotrophs? The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic. Auto means self. Tropos means nourishment. Okay, so that means the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves. They will prepare the food, they make the food themselves from simple substances. That is called autotrophic. So therefore plants are called autotrophs. That type of plants are called autotrophs. Okay, the mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves. Themselves. Okay, themselves from simple substances. Is called autotrophic. Okay, auto means self, tropos means nourishment. Autotrophic nutrition. So therefore that plants are called autotrophs. Therefore plants are called autotrophs. So these are the autotrophs. How can we define the autotrophs? The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, tropos means nourishment. Therefore plants are called, that type of plants are called autotrophs. And the next one, heterotrophs. How can we define the heterotrophs? Second one, heterotrophs. Okay, what is the heterotrophs? Animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophs. What is the difference between the autotrophs and heterotrophs? Autotrophs, they prepared food themselves from the simple substances. But heterotrophs is animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. From the plants, they prepared food. So they are called heterotrophs. Hetero means other. Here auto means self. Autotrophic means self. Themselves only they will make the food. But here hetero means others. They will depend on others for food. That is called heterotrophs. How can we define the heterotrophs? Animals and most other organisms. Animals and most other organisms. Animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophs. Heteros means other. Heterons means other. Okay, here auto means self. That is the main difference between the autotrophs and heterotrophs. What is the main difference between the autotrophic and heterotrophs? Autotrophs, they make food themselves from simple substances, but heterotrophs, they depends on plants for their food. They are depends on plants. Okay, animals and most other organisms take in food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophs. Now we may ask where the food factories of plants are located, whether food is made in all parts of the plant or only in certain parts. How do plants obtain the raw materials from the surroundings? How do they transport them to the food factories of plants? Here from the plants we are obtaining the food. Okay, heterotrophs, they are depending on the plants for food. Okay, here where the food factories of plants are located, in all parts of the plants food is there. Food is made in all parts of plant or only in certain parts. How do plants obtain the raw materials from the surroundings? How do they transport them to the food factories of plants? One by one we have to discuss. By the photosynthesis method, food making process in plants. Okay, how the plants are making food? By the photosynthesis method. Okay, what is the photosynthesis method? We have to discuss.